Good morning. This is Anil Mahajan from Global News with Views, my news channel. And today is 5th of April 2023. Today, what we are going to discuss is the issue of right investment, right timings for the investment. Don't get emotionally blackmailed. I'll tell you how you get emotionally blackmailed, and as a retail customer, as a retail investor, you lose a lot of money. How to save yourself from capital erosion? This is very important. At what price you are buying, that is very important. And like a common retailer, you are very prone to emotional blackmail, emotional panics. Panics are created in the market. Let's say so I'll give you an example. Let's say there's a fund company in America that they want to buy a company, particular ABC company share, and the ABC company shares are listed at $1,000 each share. And if he starts buying 1,000 crore rupees of shares, the price may go in the purchase, staggered purchase. It can go up to 20%, 30%. It can go higher in the process, and the average purchase price can be 1,100 rupees or 1,200 rupees. No, the person who is going to spend that money in the market, he contacts his props in the market. He'll contact certain people who are in the market who have got contacts with the business channels, with the newspapers, with the magazines, business news channels, with the apps, WhatsApp groups, with the Telegram channels, with the operators in the market, and even with the investment funds. They are asked that, okay, baby, I want to get this share listed at 1,000 rupees. I want to buy it at 30%, 40% discount. So a bad news is prepared. And maybe the investment fund, which is the global level, they write a report. Okay, this company's got no future. Or because of recession in the US economy, this company will go to dogs. Today, if it is listed at 1,000 rupees, I project that my projected price for 3 months thereafter is 500 rupees. The panic spreads into the market. Now, all other things are also activated. What are the activities? The news business channels, the business newspapers, the business forums. All forums available are activated, and everybody starts talking negative about the share. The price starts falling, because if I am holding shares, I get panic. I said, okay, yaar, mere ko jitna profit milta, whatever profit I am getting, let me book the profit. Or if I am getting the loss, let me book the loss so that I don't suffer from the loss tomorrow. I start selling it, and I sell it. And maybe there are millions of other retail investors in the market. They will also sell like that. So when everybody is selling, the price is falling. It can fall down by even 80, 30, 80, 90% also. So when it starts falling without any reason, when nobody's got a time to check, and nobody's got a talent to check also. So I advise you don't fall prey to that. You have sold your shares, and you are panic driven. You don't see it an opportunity to buy the shares. You don't analyze. You contact somebody. I am not an investment advisor, SEBI registered, but you must contact some SEBI registered, authentic investment advisor. He can guide you well. So that if you are guided well, then you can purchase at the right time, and then you don't sell like a fool, and why you are so panic driven. So this is what it can happen in one. Another way what can happen is, suppose the other company, fund company, is a big company which wants to buy this, sell off these shares. It is called holding of the shares. Maybe it wants to shrug off around 1,000 crore rupees of shares in a month. So he'll contact, price is 1,000 rupees. Now it wants to sell it off at average purchase price 10%, 20%, 30% higher than this. So it will spread news in the market. It will contact all the props in the market, all the instruments which are available, toolboxes which are available, toolkits are generated in the market. They will activate the what do you call that, investment funds. The investment funds will write a report. They will say this company is going to be well. It is going to be the leading monopoly. It is going to get business from the multinationals in Europe. It is going to get orders from all European companies. It is hiring the best now. People are very good and it's authentic, and it is going to be a multi-bagger. Though it creates, you are given a feeling of a multi-bagger. Buy a bloody multi-bagger. And then the reports come. You think that they are authentic. They carry that past data which is authentic, which may be manipulated to some extent, but they give you a projection which is just a story, a fairy story which is written into you and spread into the every corner of the country, into every corner, through WhatsApp, through forums, through channels, through news channels, through newspapers. So everybody thinks that this is the time, and then you start suffering from fear of missing out. You cannot sleep at night. You think that if I buy it tomorrow, I will not get it. Probably the market it will grow by 20% tomorrow. I will not be able to buy. Maybe it will strike, upper circuit will be hit. I will not be able to buy. So you start, you don't want to miss the opportunity. Fear of missing out is a very severe problem. It's a disease. Then you start buying it. The first you are 24 hours, you are thinking of buying it. When everybody is thinking of buying it, the price is going to shoot. And then it gets, the entire feeling in the market gets more. It gets more reinforced, because the market, there is a lot of buying happening by the retailers like you and me. We are buying in in good lots, and the quantum is huge. The price is growing. It can rise up to 1,800, 1,900 rupees also in course of time. If the reports are good, it can go up to 1,800, 900 rupees. When it goes there, maybe 1,500, the price has to be decided by the person who is going to sell off his shares. No, if he's got to sell off his shares of 1,000 crore rupees, he can sell it in a staggered form, starting from, let us say, 1,600, and he'll keep on selling it till 1,400 rupees. And average price realization can be 1,300 or 1,400 also. Otherwise, if you would have sold like that, similarly at 1,000 rupees, the price would have fallen because of the huge quantity available in the market and supply coming from the market. Supply worth 1,000 crore rupees coming into the market, the price can fall to 800, 700 rupees. So the average selling price can be, for the seller, mega seller, can be 700, 800 or 900 rupees instead of 1,300, which he has realized now. So he's gained more than 40%. This is a loot, and he'll share it among all the constituents of the loot and keep a major part with himself, and you have lost the battle. So don't lose, don't fall prey, don't fall victim to all this bullshit that is happening around. Yeah. Use your intelligence, our own intelligence parties, our mind, your calculations, your financial figures. You depend on that and buy it at the right price, at the right time. And if you need an information, you can contact a SEBI registered, authentic investment advisor. He can guide you. Or you invest in mutual funds. Simple. Sector-based or other, which is carrying that important, whatever you decide. So don't fall prey. This is what my advice is. Thank you very much.